Hi everyone. Today we are continuing with superlatives, superlativos. So yesterday I posted a picture, una photo, a picture of adjectives, new adjectives to practice. So I have 3 adjectives today for practice. So the first adjective is the word noisy. Noisy, ruidoso, noisy. So we say there are 2 syllables, noisy. So when we have 1 or 2 syllables, cuando queremos decir más ruidoso, we're going to say noisier, noisier. The baby is noisier, más ruidoso, than the child. Noisier. And remember, recuerdas, cuando tenemos, when we have a Y, un Y, no podemos tener Y y la letra E, entonces quitamos la Y, we take away the Y, and we add I. Noisier. Okay, number 2, lazy, perezoso, perezosa. Lazy, más perezoso, lazier, lazier. And then we have the word generous, generoso, generous. Generous has 3 syllables. So we will say más generoso, more generous. Remember, usually when the adjective has 1 or 2 syllables, we add ER, noisier. When the adjective has 3 or more syllables, we use the word more, more generous. Here are some exceptions that don't follow this rule. So we have the word patient, paciente. Patient has 2 syllables, but we don't add ER, and instead we say more patient. Helpful, more helpful. So these are exceptions, excepciones. They don't follow the rule. No usa la regla. Helpful, more helpful. Honest, honest has 2 syllables, but no agregamos ER, en vez agregamos more honest. So almost always, casi siempre, almost always, the rules, las reglas, they work, funcionan. So usually if you have 1 or 2 syllables, you're going to add ER. And if you have 3 or more syllables, you will add the word more. But these are some exceptions, some examples of exceptions. So let's practice some sentences. Usually, when we are using superlatives, we are comparing 2 things. So for example, we have Nueva York es más frío que Nosara. Okay. So when we are comparing 2 things, so Nueva York and Nosara, New York, Nueva York, New York es más frío. So we need to think, what is frío in English? So the adjective for frío is cold. So we're going to say, how many syllables does cold have? Cold. 1. So we're going to add, agregamos ER. New York is colder than Nosara. And a very important thing is to notice that we use the word than, okay? It's for comparison. Let's try another sentence. We could say, Costa Rica es más pequeña que los Estados Unidos. Okay. So we have the sentence, Costa Rica is más pequeña. So we say, what is the adjective pequeña in English? Pequeña is small. 1 syllable, small. So agregamos, we say Costa Rica is smaller than que los Estados Unidos, the USA.